Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to write a program that demonstrate do you want to continue using do while loop statement in C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Okay, so I'm using Online GDB as my editor and compiler. So we have here sharp include stdio.h in C for input output. Int main, it is a function that is being searched and executed by our C compiler. Begin card choice for a selection. So we have here a simple addition of two numbers. So what the program does, it will ask the user to give two numbers. So do begin double, we have three variables, num1 and num2 and sum. So in this line of code, line number 9 and 10, we are asking the user to give first number that will be stored in our variable num1. Line 12 and 13, the same thing, second number stored in our variable num2. Line number 15, we have here sum, assignment statement, equals num1 plus num2. So it will perform addition. So line number 17, it will display the sum of num1 and num2. And then in line number 15, it will ask the user, do you want to continue? Y for yes, N for no. So scanf C choice, that is a character here in line number 4. So do while choice equals small letter y or big letter Y, it will accept. If the user will choose no, it will display the screen end of program. Thank you for using this software. Return 0, return to our operating system, right curly bracket to close the body of our program. Don't worry guys, because as I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us click the run button or press F9 from our keyboard. Okay, let us wait. Okay, our program is running. Enter first number, let's say we have 7. Enter second number, let's say we have 6. So the sum of 7 and 6 is 13. Do you want to run the program again? Yes or no, no? So let's say Y for yes. It will loop again. It will ask first number, let's say 9. Second number, let's say 2. So the sum of 9 and 2 is 11. Do you want to run the program again? By this time, we select N for no. Press enter key. Okay, so our program is terminated with the message display on the screen and a program. Thank you for using this software. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on do you want to continue in C programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.